Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Nazri from Group 9. My metric number is 298749. Today I would like to present about the market structure of Tenaga Nasional Berhad, which is monopoly. First and foremost, I would like to explain about the business concept of Tenaga Nasional Berhad. As we know, the Malaysian power sector is heavily reliant on Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB), an electrical company. A number of components pertaining to power generation, transmission and distribution are included in the TNB business model. Power plant from thermal, hydro and renewable energy sources are all a part of TNB electrical generation operation. The company goal is to meet the increasing energy demand in Malaysia by providing a reliable and ample power supply. Throughout Peninsular Malaysia, TNB run a vast network for power transmission and distribution, efficiently transferring power from generator to houses, businesses and others commercial building is what this entails. Next, we look at the market structure of TNB. First, product has no close substitutes. In this market structure, there should not be any product that is a close substitute for the one that is being sold by a monopolist. However, if there are alternatives available, the monopolist will be unable to maintain control over the industry. Due to the fact that Tenaga Nasional Berhad is the only supplier of the transmission and distribution of the electricity in this country, consumers are unable to switch between different alternatives to electricity. The second one is price maker. Due to the fact that there is only one producer, the monopolist is a price maker because it has the ability to control the price that is offered in the market. As an illustration, given the TNB is the sole provider transmission and distribution of electricity, it is possible for them to set a price with the active participation of the government in order to generate an extraordinary profit. For this reason, consumers are not particularly sensitive to change in price because it is one of the goods that they consider to be necessities. And the last one is barrier to entry. One of the type barriers to entry when a monopoly status can be maintained through the control over the supply of raw materials. As an illustration, TNB is the owner of the scarce raw materials of coal, which is used to generate electricity. This is due to the fact that coal is the most cost-effective method of producing electricity in Malaysia. At the moment, all of these coals are imported from other countries, and this is a significant factor that contributes to the formation of effective barrier to entry. This is due to the fact that no company have the ability to acquire the scarce raw materials in order to compete with TNB. The fact that they have no complete control over the industry is demonstrated by this.
Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Anwar Haziq bin Nazri and my number metric 299392. For my part, I would like to present about the customer issue faced by Tenaga Nasional Berhad TNB. The first point from customer issue that faced by TNB is energy price and cost. Energy pricing and cost are a common concern for consumer in numerous industries, including small business and industrial corporation. Below are numerous electricity pricing and expense issue client may face. Small and industrial firm may struggle with growing energy costs, which largely affect them. Electricity expenses can raise operational costs, lowering profit margin. High energy price can hurt corporation competitiveness by raising product and service pricing. Business may struggle to compete with those in lower energy cost areas. My second point from customer issue faced by TNB is rule and complaints. Rule and complaint regularization and complaint difficulties in the energy sector can be challenging for businesses and other industries. Energy usage control and complaint can be difficult for customers, especially businesses. Change to law. Due to frequent energy law changes, businesses may struggle to adapt and keep up with new advances. This might increase complaint costs and penalties for non-complaints. Local laws vary. Different jurisdictions may have different energy regulation for businesses. My third point from customer issue faced by TMB is dissatisfaction with customer service. There are several reasons why customers in Malaysia are dissatisfied with TMB Tenaga Nasional Berhad customer service. Here are some potential issues, such as sluggish problem solving that may lead to unhappy customers. If customers' issues are not promptly resolved, they could get dissatisfied. This may entail taking a long time to fix anything, answering consumer inquiries slowly, or handling complaints slowly. Dissatisfaction can be brought on by ineffective or confusing communication. Consumer would anticipate reliable, comprehensible information delivered in a polished manner. Thank you. My last point from customer issue faced by TMB is safety and quality issues. TMB, Tenaga Nasional Berhad, consumer in Malaysia may also suffer safety and quality issues with electrical service. Electricity supply instability is a problem. Supply outages and unanticipated power outages may affect customers. It can cause discomfort and interrupt normal life. Repair and maintenance discomfort. Customer may experience momentary discomfort during electrical infrastructure repairs. Customer may experience short power disruption during maintenance. Electrical cost rise. Customer may struggle financially due to growing electricity rates. This cost hike may strain clients, especially low-income ones.
Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. I'm 298968 Muhammad Nazirul Muzakir bin Muhammad Barudin. Today I want to talk about monopoly business risk of TMB. So the monopoly business risk of TMB we can look on 4 scope. First is rising competition from renewable energy. Second, regulatory risk. Third is operation risk, and last is market risk. So firstly, I want to talk about the rising competition from renewable energy. Regarding the government initiative to promote renewable energy source such as solar power, major power generation corporation such as Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB) will be impacted due to the escalating risk of capacity replacement. This is because for expiring power purchase agreement, the maximum capacity of large-scale solar is 100 meter and each participant is restricted to maintain on a maximum of 3 LSSS for each tender program. Furthermore, this is attributed to the reduced capital investment, strict power operation and maintenance, and absence of fuel demand in comparison to conventional power plants. Second is regulatory risk. Regulatory risk usually means the chance that the government will step in and keep an eye on the monopoly in order to limit or control its market power. For instance, changes to regulation to encourage competition, protect consumer more or keep price stable. The government can make new rules or change old ones. Such changes could affect TMB position in the market and its ability to make money. Also, because TMB is a monopoly, its pricing power may be limited by the government. The government could limit or cap the price TMB can charge its customer, which would have an effect on its ability to make money and stay in business. Third, I want to talk about the operational risk. Power outage can occur at any point in the generation, transmission, or distribution process due to operational risks like broken machine, old infrastructure, or technical difficulty. Service interruption, unhappy customer, and brand harm can all stem from these failures. In addition, TNB infrastructure calls for consistent upkeep and enhancement. Inadequate maintenance procedure pose operational risk because they raise the possibility of service interruption, decrease operational efficiency, and laden downtime. Besides that, a convoluted supply chain provide fuel, equipment, and maintenance service to TNB. Service interruption or price increase could result from operational risks affecting TNB's operations such as delay, failures, or quality concern with supply. Last but not least, the monopoly business risk of TNB is market risk. There are less direct market risks for TNB as a monopoly compared to a competitive market. For instance, changes in demand, the revenue and profitability of TNB could be affected by changes in electricity demand pattern, which could be caused by changes in consumer behavior, economic condition, or technological advancement. Furthermore, technological disruption potentially upending TNB's long-standing business model and market position are development in renewable energy, energy storage, and distributed generation system, and lastly, dissatisfaction among customer. Customer may still be dissatisfied with TNB service quality, reliability, or pricing even though the company has a monopoly. Customer complaint, regulatory action, or harm to the company reputation could result.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Uman Hakim bin Muhammad. My matrix number is 298758. I would like to present about the strategy of TNB. So, for the first point is collaboration with NGO. TNB retails an outside partner to accelerate its goal, gain a fresh perspective, and improve internal capabilities. EY is TNB Retail's transformation partner. TNB Retails and EY have three short-term goals and pupil-focused transformation team designed as a customer-led retail structure, train staff to be agile, and give them the resources they need to succeed to make TNB Retail customer-centric. Next, scalable innovation. Create a retail business with a mission to help customers save energy. Finally, technology speed. Create a data-driven solutions company to innovate customer experience. An alternative business model in retail industry like EV, solar power, and smart home connectivity. For the second point is increased customer service. TNB has adjusted to the changing energy industry by prioritizing customer service and value. They can innovate and stay ahead with this approach. For example, in terms of payment channel, TNB accept ePay, direct debit, internet banking, JomPay, and counter at Kedai Tenaga, Pos Malaysia, and 7-Eleven. TNB self-service portal and apps My TNB target transparency and accessibility. Besides the self-service portal and smartphone apps, let 8.8 million Peninsular Malaysia customers check on pay bills, apply for electricity, or close accounts to meet customers' increasingly complex needs and maintain its passion for customer satisfaction. TNB has improved its contact center and digital and data science workforce. For the third point is discount of electricity bill. Electricity using discount ranging from 15% to 50% are available to over 80% of Tenaga Nasional Berhad customer, up to 600 kilowatt per month. The Prihatin Rakyat Economic Stimulus Package discount is extended to 6.3 million customers, divided evenly between the bottom and middle 40% out of more than 7.5 million residential TNB customers. Put another way, discount ranging from 15% to 50% will be extended to 85% of TNB customers. The TNB will provide a 2% discount on electricity to customers in the trade, industrial, agricultural and domestic sector. For the last point is improve operation. TNB recognizes the importance of employers in ensuring smooth operations. For instance, enhance TNB employers' culture and experience, such as making the workplace safe, encouraging ET-plan skill development, and creating a good employer value proposition with good pay and benefits. Besides, TNB aims to develop future leaders and skills during the energy transition. For example, TNB's ILSAS Training Center offers programs to enhance staff skills and learn new ones. TNB provides employers with the latest tools, simulations programs, and online modules to ensure they have the skill and knowledge to fulfill their client's promise.